Shopify released over 150 updates in their Spring 26 edition. Don't waste time reading the feature list. I've narrowed it down to the 8 changes that directly impact your conversion and AOV. Let's get into the only data that matters. Shopify is adding an AI sales associate directly into the Inbox app. Think of it as a sales rep that knows your products, knows your policies, and is available 24/7. And here's what that looks like in practice. You can see it right here in the Shopify Editions demo. A shopper types "curate an outfit for a trip to Spain," and the assistant pulls a full product selection, answers follow-up questions about materials, and adds to cart. All inside the chat. No browsing, no searching, no friction. And if they're signed in with Shop, it already knows what they've bought before. So the suggestions actually make sense for that specific customer. When it genuinely can't help, it hands off to a real person. All of that running automatically without you touching it, and it all adds up. That's how you actually scale conversions. You can already toggle it on inside Shopify Inbox, and you'll get notified the moment it goes live. The app is free and made by Shopify. Most Shopify stores are running 5, 10, sometimes 15 apps at once, and every single one has its own dashboard. You have to log into separately. Sidekick now integrates directly with third-party apps. So instead of jumping between 5 different dashboards, you just ask Sidekick. Check your Klaviyo campaign performance, pull insights from your Judge Me reviews, or ask about your Kaching subscriptions performance, bundle stats, and upsell conversion rates, all without leaving your Shopify admin. Your next customer might never visit your store. They'll just ask ChatGPT what to buy. Shopify now automatically syndicates your product catalog to AI shopping channels, ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and more. No separate setup, no extra publish step. If your products are eligible, they're already discoverable. Shopify structures and enriches your product data before it gets there. They claim that this alone drives 2 times more conversion in AI chats compared to unoptimized listings scraped off the internet. Inside your admin, there is a new agentic storefronts overview, sales, sessions, and conversion across every AI channel. And it flags exactly what's missing from your listings so you know what to fix. And for the first time, customers can buy directly inside Microsoft Copilot and pay with ShopPay without ever landing on your store. Meta ads are coming next via the same protocol. This is where things are heading. Good to know about now. This one hits different if you're running your store without a dedicated marketing team. Campaign Autopilot is Shopify's new AI-powered system that runs and optimizes your ad campaigns for you. You set the budget, the audience, the goals, the AI handles everything else. It runs across multiple channels at once: Meta, ChatGPT, Pinterest, Microsoft Ads, and more, all from one campaign setup inside Shopify. And it's not just scheduling, it's actively learning what's working and adjusting over time. But here's something clever. You can set different bids for new customers versus lapsed ones in the same campaign. So you're not treating a brand new visitor the same as someone who bought 6 months ago and went quiet. And it won't touch your existing campaigns, it creates its own. Your current ads stay exactly as they are. All the data like spend, impressions, sessions now lives inside your Shopify analytics alongside your sales numbers. No jumping to a separate ads dashboard. You used to need an agency or a full marketing hire to run campaigns like this. Now it's built in. It's free on any Shopify plan. You only pay for the actual ad spend. Every merchant stares at their analytics and asks the same question. Why did that happen? Shopify just answered it. Your analytics now tell you what's happening and why, directly on the chart. Visual annotations appear on your data explaining why a metric changed. No more guessing. And now Shopify analyzes your data every day and surfaces what actually matters on your overview. You don't go digging. It comes to you, but look closer. You can now set targets for any key metric and track your progress visually right inside analytics. No more spreadsheets and separate goal trackers, just your number and where you're at. Shopify Analytics used to tell you what happened. Now it tells you why. This one's been a long time coming. You can now apply multiple discounts to the same product in a single order, a percentage off stacked on top of a fixed amount. Before this, Shopify picked one and ignored the other. So if you're running a loyalty perk on top of a seasonal sale, you had to choose or build a workaround that broke half the time. Now you just stack them. And I'm actually going to show you this live. I've created 2 discounts, a 10% off code and a $5 fixed amount off discount. Let's see what happens at checkout. One discount is already there. I entered the second code and it works. Most merchants ship theme changes on gut feel and hope for the best. Rollouts fixes that. Shopify now has a built-in way to A/B test your theme, checkout configuration, or customer account setup. You'll find find it inside your admin under markets, then rollouts. You pick 2 versions, set a traffic split, say 50-50, and let real visitors decide which one wins. No app needed, no Shopify Plus required. It's just built in now. And if you're not ready to test, you can skip the split and just schedule a change to go live on a specific date. Either way, you're in control. Stop guessing what converts better. Now you can just test it. Most merchants set a price when they launch a product and never touch it again. Maybe bump it once a year. That's leaving money on the table constantly. Shopify now has a pricing app that recommends product prices. It looks at your actual sales data, your inventory levels, your costs, and seasonality, and tells you when a price should move. Not a generic suggestion, but your store's data, your products, and your numbers. Either way, you're making the call. Shopify just gives you the signal you didn't have before. All links are in the description. Which one of these updates are you trying first? Drop it in the comments.